Assalamu alaikum. Let us now revise quantifiers. Quantifiers are the words used before the nouns to express the quantity of something. For example, a little milk. In this, a little is a quantifier. There are different quantifiers. Some are used to describe large quantities, some small quantities, some undefined quantities, and some sufficient amount of quantities. Now, let's look at the use of quantifiers. As we all know that much, many, and a lot of have the similar meaning, but the difference is the way they are used. Much is used with uncountable nouns, many is used before countable nouns, and a lot of is used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Now, countable nouns, you should know, there are those things which we can count. For example, tables, chairs, trees, people, houses, etc. Whereas uncountable nouns are the things which we cannot count, like all the liquids, milk, oil, water, and all the material that comes in the powder form, like sugar, salt, pepper, and the other things which are in the bulk, like stars on the sky, sand on the beach. Now, all these things are uncountable. Let us look at the examples. How many is used with countable nouns? Many people take the train to work, and much is used in a way like she had much work to do until midnight. A lot of is used with both. So the example is we have a lot of time left, don't worry. A few, a little, and a bit are used to describe small quantities. A few is used with countable nouns, and a bit and a little are used with uncountable nouns. We need a few coins. We know that coins are countable, so a few is used with it. We need a few coins for the car park. The engine needs a little oil. So a little is used with oil, oil is uncountable. Kindly add a bit salt on the salad. Look at the use of some and any. Some and any both are used with countable and plural nouns, but the difference is that some is used with affirmative sentences, the positive sentences with plain statements, whereas any is used in negative sentences and interrogative sentences. Look at the examples. There is some milk in the jug. There isn't any milk in the jug. Some is used when there is a positive sentence. Any is used in the negative sentence. Is there any milk in the jug? Again, this is a question, so any is used in the questions as well. Some and any are also used with plural nouns. There will be some managers at the party, but again, any will be used when we have the plural nouns in the negative and interrogative. There won't be any managers at the party. Will there be any managers at the party? There is an exception to this rule, as we know that we have many exceptions in English language. So the exception is that we make whenever we make requests and offers, and we use questions to make a request or to make an offer, then we will use some instead of any. Look at these two examples. Can I have some water, please? Here we are making a request, so we will be using some instead of any. Although it is a question, still we will use some, because it is an exception that when we are making a request or when we are making an offer, we use some instead of any. Would you like some chocolates? This is an offer. So this was it. I hope it's going to help you.